Nana the Saucy Chef. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Nana in the kitchen, y'all hungry, yeah, talking about what y'all won't eat. You wanna make a bet, home cooked meals, hold on to your seat. It's Nana the Saucy Chef, now let's eat.
Y'all hungry yet?
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana the Saucy Chef. Today we're going to be making chicken tenders with honey mustard and barbecue sauce. I'm going to be showing you all the ingredients separately. To begin with, we're going to need 1 pound of chicken tenderloins, 1 cup of buttermilk, and 1/2 cup of hot sauce. Next, for our flour mixture, we're going to need 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons of onion powder, 2 tablespoons of garlic powder, 2 tablespoons of smoked paprika, 1 packet of sazon. You're going to need 1/2 tablespoon of sea salt and 1/2 tablespoon of ground black pepper mixed together. For our honey mustard, we're going to need 3/4 cup of mayonnaise, 1/4 cup of honey, 2 tablespoons of Dijon mustard, 1½ teaspoons of smoked paprika, and 1 teaspoon of ground black pepper. For our barbecue sauce, we're going to need 1 cup of ketchup, 1/2 cup of brown sugar, 1/3 cup of honey, 1½ tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce, 1/2 teaspoon of cayenne pepper, that's optional, 1/2 teaspoon of ground black pepper, 1/2 teaspoon of onion powder, 1/2 teaspoon of paprika, and 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder. Now to our chicken tenderloins, we're going to add our cup of buttermilk and our 1/2 cup of hot sauce. I'm just going to mix that up some. Now you just want to place a lid over top, and we're going to place it in our refrigerator for a ½ hour. Now to our flour mixture, we're going to add our packet of sazon, our salt and pepper mixture, smoked paprika, garlic powder, and our onion powder. And we're just going to mix it until it's well combined. Once you're done mixing, you can set that to the side. Now we're going to make our honey mustard. To a bowl, I added my mayonnaise. I'm going to add in my honey, paprika, ground black pepper, and also I'm going to add in the honey Dijon mustard. Guys, I made a mistake and said honey Dijon mustard. I meant Dijon mustard. So now we're just going to mix it until everything is well combined. Okay guys, see how nice it came out? It tastes really good. So what I'm going to do is transfer it to another bowl. And we're going to set it to the side. Guys, you can actually set this in your fridge until you're ready to use it. Now we're going to make our barbecue sauce. We're going to add our ketchup to the bowl, our brown sugar, our cayenne pepper, ground black pepper, honey, our Worcestershire sauce, onion powder, garlic powder, and our paprika. And we're just going to mix it until it's well combined. Okay guys, now to a pot we're going to add in our barbecue sauce. And we're just going to let that heat up for about 3 minutes. You want to make sure that you whisk it together. After 3 minutes, you want to go ahead and place it in a bowl and let it cool down. Okay guys, you can place that in your refrigerator also until we're ready to use it. Okay guys, it's been a half hour. So now we're going to get our chicken tenderloins. We're going to shake off the excess buttermilk. And we're just going to place it into our flour. We're going to flour all of them. Now you want to heat your oil to 350 degrees. Now we're going to add in our chicken tenderloins. You want to let them cook 5 to 7 minutes until they're golden and crispy. Okay guys, once they're done, you want to remove them from your pan and drain them of all excess grease. Okay guys, so here we have it, our chicken tenderloins with a homemade barbecue sauce and a homemade honey mustard sauce. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please come back. Please like and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. Feel free to leave a comment. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. And until next time, this is Nana, the Saucy Chef. Y'all hungry yet?